Every year, millions of houseplants die because of too little or too much water, unsuitable temperature, overly dry air, bad lighting, or a simple lack of love. My name is Johnny. I'm the happiest houseplant in the world, but I too was once close to death. Then one day, my owner brought Grovia home, and I realized the owner still loves me and cares about me. Grovia is a smart watering system. It waters me when necessary and controls what I receive, just as much water as I need. Grovia monitors my health in real time and tracks moisture, air humidity, temperature, and light intensity. Now I have another close friend who takes care of me. My owner can safely leave for business trips for up to 45 days because I have Grovia to look after me. Now I can tell my owner what I need, what's wrong, and what can be done about it. That's super handy. Also, I can be moved anywhere because Grovia is wireless and we can sit together where our human wants us to. What's more, now I can have new friends because Grovia can manage even 3 flowers with their individual watering settings. The Grovia app helps our owner be sure we're healthy and happy all the time.
Hi Geekstarter, I'm Alex, and I'm the founder of Grovia. I believe we can do more to save our favorite houseplants from drying up. It's not just a smart device that controls the environment of your home, but it also provides an interactive access to all your plants. You can respond to their needs in real time. We have finished the design and are about to start the mass production. That's why we need your help. Over the last 2 years, we've built dozens of models and 4 working prototypes. Iteratively, we created and improved the user interface experience to make it more practical and useful. Support Grovia campaign to make our world a bit greener place. Thank you.
It's time to bring food home again. This is the Grove ecosystem. The ecosystem is an intelligent in-home garden. You use it to grow your own organic, flavorful fruits and veggies year-round, right where you live.
I'm Gabe.
And I'm Jamie.
We're the co-founders of Grove. You can grow your own food, no matter where you live or what season it is.
Fresh, healthy food grown right in your home year-round.
Here's how the Grove ecosystem works.
First, you feed the fish in the aquarium, the fish process the food into waste, then helpful bacteria convert the waste into nitrate, which is an optimal plant fertilizer. Finally, plumbing circulates this nutrient-rich water through every part of the system. It's a complete ecosystem that is constantly carrying out the nitrogen cycle. It's called aquaponics, and it's a natural, symbiotic relationship between fish, plants, and bacteria. Rather than overpowering nature with inorganic fertilizers and pesticides, we have designed a product that works with nature.
We make every ecosystem right here in Clinton, Massachusetts, where we work with local craftsmen to build a product out of high-quality, sustainably sourced bamboo. The product comes together around a custom 25-gallon acrylic aquarium, which comes with everything you need to keep a thriving aquatic habitat. Above the aquarium is the main gardening bed, where you have plenty of space to grow larger plants. Below the main gardening bed, you have even more space to start seedlings and grow leafy greens, microgreens, and herbs. Both of our gardening beds are completely soil-free. Instead, we use porous, expanded clay pebbles that are great as a growing medium, but also double as a biological filter. We've also designed our own custom, best-in-class LED grow lights. The soft white glow is great for growing plants, but it's also comfortable to have right in your living space. The lights are also designed to easily slide up and down, which means that you can match the lights to the height of the plants. This means that the plants get the light they need, while the grow's energy use stays low.
One of the most exciting things about the ecosystem is our mobile app, GroveOS. GroveOS not only makes gardening more accessible, but it makes the ecosystem a truly intelligent product. To make things easy, you can choose from plant-specific presets or put your Grove in vacation mode if you're going to be gone for a few weeks. In addition to managing your ecosystem, GroveOS is a portal to the community and to the market. You can use it to connect with other growers or to browse our seed and supply collection.
The development of the Grove ecosystem began 2 years ago when Gabe and I built an aquaponics system in our room at MIT. After a couple months with snow on the ground outside, we were growing a ton of fresh food right there in our home. But it became about more than the food.
It was a slice of nature right in our room. It really freshened the air.
And our friends started congregating around it to watch the fish and eat the greens. We were learning from it every day.
We've been so fortunate to build a passionate team with a diverse set of skills. We've delivered over 50 prototypes to early adopters here in Boston. Working closely with them, with their feedback, we've iterated to the ecosystem you see today. We're ready to launch nationally, and we want your help to do it. Together, we can kickstart a growing revolution.
Let's bring food home again.
Hi, I'm Joe Jones, inventor of Tertill. 15 years ago, I created Roomba, a small, user-friendly robot that cleans home floors all by itself. Since Roomba's amazing success, I've been looking for opportunities for other practical robots. I found a great one in the garden. It's called Tertill. Tertill is a robot that eliminates weeds. It's solar-powered, chemical-free, and waterproof. Every day it charges itself in the sun, and when it has enough energy, it goes patrolling for weeds.
My name's Rory McKean. I'm the CEO of Franklin Robotics. Tertill uses the height of the plant to decide if it's good or if it's bad. If it's taller than an inch, it leaves it alone. If it's smaller than an inch, it cuts it. Tertill has two methods of removing weeds. The first is a small nylon string on the bottom of the robot that spins rapidly to cut the weeds. The second is the design of the wheels. As the robot drives around, the wheels scrub the surface of the soil, damaging pre-emergent weeds.
Tertill doesn't need to pull weeds because it chops them every day. Even if a chopped weed sprouts again, Tertill will keep chopping it down until it runs out of stored energy and dies.
There's no mapping or programming required for Tertill. You put the robot in the garden, press go, and the robot takes care of the rest. Tertill uses Bluetooth to talk to the user's smartphone.
There's an app that accompanies Tertill. Through the app, you can learn about conditions in your garden and what Tertill has been doing.
Because Tertill cuts the weeds every day, the clippings are small, so they fall back onto the ground and shrivel up, returning the nutrients to the soil. To inform Tertill that you want to keep a small plant, you put one of the provided plant collars around the seedling. This lets Tertill know that it's a desired plant. Once the plant is larger, you can remove the collar if you like.
Tertill collects some energy even on cloudy days, and it uses its energy very carefully. Thus, it can keep operating through extended cloudy periods. Tertill is helped by the fact that weeds can't grow very fast when there's no sun.
Tertill can easily cover the typical garden size in the US, which is about 100 square feet. Given favorable soil conditions or sunny climates, Tertill is able to cover more area than that.
Tertill is round, it's short, it has four-wheel drive and extreme camber wheels. Those are all design choices that improve Tertill's mobility in the garden.
Tertill requires a barrier to keep it from wandering away from the garden. This could be the edge of a raised bed, a chicken wire fence, or some other type of border. We've been developing Tertill over the past 2 years, constantly testing, prototyping, and iterating to make the best product that we can. We're launching on Kickstarter because we need your help to bring Tertill to production. With your support today, you can be one of the first to have Tertill in your garden. Because weeding sucks, you should make a robot do it.